Finally here, the Mr. Cartoons ice cream truck. 2 years ago, the people from SA Studios, the guys who represent Mr. Cartoon, reached out to me because I want to do a replica of the famous ice cream truck by Mr. Cartoon. And after a couple of talks, I referred them to Redcat. We had a couple of meetings, a couple of talks, and this is the result. And I can't wait to see it. Can't wait to check it out. It's still sealed, so I have to break the seals. Let me check it out. You can see. And it's a collector's piece, so it's going to be available in limited quantity. Okay, here we go. That's one. Here is the inner box. Wow, look at that. Damn. Oh, it looks super sick. Wow, packaging super well done. Oh yeah, nice. Got the manual with the ice cream truck printed on there. Yeah, that's nice. Super nice. Yeah, well, it uses the system, the radio setup that you guys are used to. Ooh la la, look at this. Oh my goodness, this is so badass. Oh wow. Oh, that detail alone is so freaking sick. Let me put it here. Okay, let me put it on top of this. Let me get this one out of here. This here. Wow. Wow. Oh, it looks amazing already. Oh wow. This is badass. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at that. So sick. Look at all the details. Wow. Holy shit. Wow, look at that. Really well done. Super nice. Yeah. This looks killer. Really well done. With the fell on top. Wow. Super sick. Yeah, really well done. And I didn't even pay attention to the inside, but it seems the inside has got a lot of features as well, like stickers and stuff. Very impressive. Very impressive. Yeah, well done. Wow, can't wait to put the batteries in and make it move. But yeah, super nice. Yeah, really nice. Wow. Fantastic. Well, the first thing I'm gonna do, no disrespect to the wheels, but the original Mr. Cartoon ice cream truck has cross-lace wheels, so I ordered a can of paint by Tamiya, some clear orange. So I'm gonna put the my cross-lace wheels on there. First gonna paint them orange and in the style of the original Mr. Cartoon ice cream truck, but that's a nice detail to add. I'm probably also gonna add a TV screen in there. I have a TV screen already, so I'm gonna put it in there. And of course lights and everything, just to modify it so you can display it on the shelf and you can switch it on. You have the TV playing and the lights on, so it's going to be badass. Thank you very much, Redcat. Thank you very much, Mr. Cartoon and SA Studios. Much respect to this. It's very, very nice. Thank you.